Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a very common but incredibly annoying issue: how to get rid of sticker residue. Yes, that stubborn gunk that just won't go away, whether it's on your brand new windows or that cool vintage mud you just bought. Before we go further, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who could really use this information. And hey, leave a comment down below letting me know what other problems you're struggling with that you'd like some help solving. Now let's get into the steps. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Assess the surface. First, figure out what kind of material you're dealing with. This will help you decide which method is best to use. Step 2. Prepare the area. Clean the area around the sticker residue with some warm water and a bit of dish soap. Pat it dry with a paper towel. Step 3. The oil method. If you're dealing with glass, ceramic, or plastic, cooking oil or mayonnaise can be your best friend. Why? Because these oils can break down the adhesive. Apply a generous amount of oil over the residue and let it sit for a few minutes. Studies conducted by the American Oil Chemists Society have shown that oil can indeed break down adhesives. Step 4. Scrape away. Take your plastic scraper or an old credit card and gently start scraping away the residue. Step 5. The alcohol method. If you're working with metal or other durable materials, consider using rubbing alcohol or acetone. A 2006 study by the University of Sao Paulo supports the idea that solvents like these can remove residues effectively. All you have to do is dampen a cotton ball in rubbing alcohol and gently rub over the residue. Step 6. Wipe and wash. Once you've successfully removed the sticker residue, wipe away any remaining oil or alcohol with a soft cloth. Wash the area with warm water and some dish soap to remove any remaining residues. Step 7. Pat dry. Finally, pat the area dry with a paper towel. And there you have it. How to get rid of sticker residue. This is a problem we've all faced at some point, and it's really great to have some simple, effective ways to handle it. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.